My video tutorial is dedicated to help you remove the ransomware called 2000 USD. My video is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware, and of course I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly protect your files. Anyway, you have just clearly seen that before the ransomware's attack, I was able to open the files without troubles. This includes pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this 2000 USD ransomware may be very easily injected into the device. And so very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware actually encrypts files and damages the files considerably. And then the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom, supposedly for file recovery, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. So whenever you try to open the specific file, you get a message indicating that you need to pay the ransom, but you should not pay the ransom. I recommend you to carefully research your computer with the help of reliable security software such as Cleaner Antivirus. The best place for you to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. So download the application using this green download Combo Cleaner button, install the software, and once it gets successfully installed, start researching your computer with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively identify and eliminate all other threats which might still possibly stealthily remain on your computer. So after the antivirus database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner will begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scan, you will then see the summary of all the threats which were revealed during the scan. I recommend you to upgrade to Premium, and this is the best way to get your data always protected from all further ransomware attacks. Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files, but it helps to remove this ransomware and to get your data always protected from all further possible ransomware or other malware attacks.